Hello, students. Today, let us start a new lesson, a true story of sea turtles 2.2. Now, today we are going to see or talk about a lesson which is related to the animals which are endangered species. Now, you know who are the endangered species. So endangered species are or endangered the animals, those who are in endangered list are the animals which are in danger, means very soon they are going to end, or they are going to die on this earth. Means there after some years, maybe after 50 years, maybe after 100 years, or maybe after 20-30 years, we will not see these animals on the earth. This kind of or such type of animals are called as endangered species. There are another kind of animals which are called as extinct animals. Now, which are extinct? So, extinct animals such as dinosaurs, who were there on the earth, but because of the human activities, because of the human habits, because of the human greed, these animals are no more in this world, and we only can see them in pictures and photos. Okay, we all know for the smooth functioning of this ecosystem, all animals, all species, everything is very very important. If there would be any imbalance in the ecosystem, then we know that we have to pay for that, we have to suffer for that. One of the thing which is we are suffering nowadays is corona, because of the greed of a human being, because of the imbalance of the nature. Such kind of pandemics are going on, right? And that is why we must understand our responsibility, we must understand our duty towards these animals, and we should do something for them. Now, this animal, the true story of a sea turtles, is a very good lesson. Actually, it is a lesson in true sense. This lesson tells us that if we properly manage the things, or if we look after the things very properly, then these animals will not harm us, but on the contrary will give us some benefits, will provide us some profit out of that. The only thing is we need to check out a program for them, and accordingly, if we will take care of them, definitely we get a benefit out of that. Okay. Okay, so let us okay, before going to the lesson, let us discuss some warming up activities which are given here. Now, see, some of the pictures are around page number 30. What are these pictures? So these are the pictures of the animals which are all endangered species. Do you know tigers? In 2010, I hope, I'm not getting the year, but in 2008 or 10, only 1410 tigers were left in India. Okay, in India, only 1410 tigers were left in India. Only 1400. Just imagine. And by the time, after 2 to 3 years, some of the tigers were killed or died, and then the number was around 1200 something. But after that, government started one program to save the tigers, and later what happened, the number of tigers increased, and today we have around 3000 tigers. That is very good news. Actually, I hope last year I am getting it. Last year I read that news that around now around 3000 tigers are there in India. It's almost double tigers in 10 years. India is successful in breeding, we can say, or in saving double number of tigers. Okay, and that is why we also take some lessons, we also should contribute to increase the number of animals, because all these animals are very important. Let us see what is this first activity or first warming up activity tells us. It is our world too. So animals are saying कि it is our world too, means only human beings are not the owners of this earth. Even the animals have the right to live on this earth, and we human beings, as we are killing the animals, so animals are actually afraid of it. Animals are not they did not like this activity, or they do not like this activity of human beings, and that's why they are saying ki this is our world also. Okay, so let us see. Observe the following photographs. What is common among all these animals? Okay, answer. I told the answer already. They are all endangered species. They are likely to die out completely, and one of the reason being human activities. And because of the human activities, all these animals which are in the pictures, these are just some of the examples. There are many such examples are there. Animals are there. They are on the verge of dying. Okay, they are on the verge of dying. That we must understand this. And because of what? Because of the human activities. If these animals could think and speak like humans, what would they say? And the textbook is asking us if these animals could think like us, like human beings, then what would they say, or what would they think? So that we have to means you have to tell that, means for some time you have to be an animals, you have to keep yourself in place of them, and then you have to give the answers. Means you have to assume that if you will be in place of them and your condition would be so bad, then what would be your reactions on that. Which pictures are given? Tiger is given. This is Royal Bengal tiger. Remember, it is world famous Royal Bengal tiger, which is present only and only in India, and that too in Sundarban Delta. Okay, during that in that area only we find Royal Bengal tiger, which looks very beautiful, actually majestic. It looks majestic. Then one monkey is there, then fox is there, and I hope this is well. Okay, so the well is also there. So all these animals are there, and what you have to do, so you have to think to yourself that if you would be there in place of them, so what, before that what you have to do, you will have to search the information regarding these animals. What are their problems, why they are dying, why they are on the verge of dying, or they are endangered species, and then from the internet of course, and after that you will have to think and have to write in your notebook and write down at least five lines about them. Okay, then the next activity is given that form the group. So we cannot form the groups now, and then hold a classroom discussion on the following topics, and okay, expand the idea is given here. So now I am not going to tell you what is expand the idea. I hope last year English teacher might have told you about expand the theme or expand your idea. I will teach this topic separately. Okay, I will not talk about this in this lesson. When we will do writing skill, at that time I will do it. Okay. So today, then after this, the lesson is there. So tomorrow we will start our lesson, and we'll see the things which are given in the lesson. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.